Hello everyone, I'm the Enforcer, and welcome back to the Day 281 summary of the war in Ukraine. In this first clip, you see Ukrainian using the tripod of a Kornets, or the other ATGM, which we cannot see on YouTube, to level off his Javelin and get it ready to fire. And they currently see him lining up the target. And we can also hear the cameraman saying a couple of things to him, and in a second we're about to see him fire it, and the missile head on its way to his target. Right about now. The missile's now on its way. You can now see the tripod. We don't know why the tripod's here. These tripods are used exclusively for the Kornets ATGM, so we do not know why they have that here, or why it's been left here, but it did come in handy when they were trying to fire off this Javelin. We're still waiting for the Javelin to land at this point. See, I'm still looking at the distance. And we can see that they got it. We now see the tank in the distance beginning to smoke and burn quite clearly. And quite the long shot. It looks like it may have been about 2 miles, which is pretty long range distance for any kind of an anti-tank gun, or an anti-tank guided missile for that matter.
Він уже приїхав надовго.
In this next clip, we see loads of Turkish-made Kirpi armored cars somewhere in the northern area of Ukraine near Svatove, moving on their way towards the front line. These are incredibly interesting to see, and also in a much higher number than we've ever heard of the Turks sending before. Either all of the Kirpis that the Turks have sent up to this point are in this one place, or they've gotten more of them that we haven't known about, and we're starting to see some of these on film. Either way, it's incredibly good to know that the Ukrainians are still getting much-needed foreign support at this late stage in the war. I thank you all so much once again for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed, and if we get about 3,000 likes in this video, we may start trying to do these as normal videos again. Thank you all, and I'll see you in the next one.